guys, and welcome back to my channel At Home with Shell. So in today's video I'm going to show you how to make a DIY flower wall. So some of you might know that I've recently changed the study, well I'm in the process of doing it at the minute, changing the study into a playroom for Arabella, and something that I really wanted to do was put a flower wall in there. I had a look online and I couldn't believe how expensive they were. So some of them come for anywhere between kind of £100 to £200, which is just a crazy amount of money. So I've decided to make my own. So what I'll do in this video is show you everything that you need to make it, and then fingers crossed it turns out okay. If you're new to my channel, then hi, my name's Michelle and I'm mum to two girls. I upload videos every single week on things like motherhood, lifestyle, cleaning, hauls, travel. So if that's the kind of thing that you like, then I would love to have you subscribe to my channel. So let's get into today's video. So what you want to do is get out everything that you need to make your flower wall. So you'll need some foam board to start off with. This is quite a big one, so this is A2, and I got this from the range. Ideally, I wanted it a bit thicker, so this is about ½ centimetre thick, but this is all they had, so this will have to do. Then you'll need some flowers. I got these from Ikea, and these were 50p each. So just some little flowers like this. You can get a bunch of them, because all you need to be able to do is pull the tops off, but you'll need quite a few flowers. Hopefully I've got enough here to fill the board. Then you'll need some scissors to be able to cut the flower heads off, some glue. So I've got this miniature glue gun that I got from Amazon. I think it was only about £4 or something. So never actually used one of these before, so hopefully it works okay. And then you'll need just a little screw, something like this, just to be able to kind of make the little holes to put the flowers into. The first thing that you want to do is cut all of your flower heads off the stalks, or pull them off, whatever you're using, and then use your tiny little screw to make small holes in the board. Then once you've made these holes, kind of put the flowers in, make sure they fit, and then what I started to do is basically line up a few of the flowers, making them with the holes, and then you can kind of see how far apart that they need to be. Once you've worked out the spacing for the flowers and put the holes in, it's then time to use your glue gun. So all you want to do is simply squeeze out some of the hot glue, put it in the hole, and then press your flowers in, and then basically continue this for all of the holes that you have so far. After I'd done a few of the flowers, I knew the distances, so I thought I'd save a bit of time and just put the holes in with the screws and then glue and then push the flowers in, and this made the whole process so much quicker. So I just continued to do this all around the edges initially. You can see here I followed quite a simple sequence of cream, pink, but you can use whatever colours that you want, but I would try and follow a kind of sequence or pattern, as it does make it much easier. So I filled in all the edges and I haven't got many flowers left. So I'm definitely going to need and go and get more. Didn't plan on actually making it this big when I bought the flowers, but because this was the only size board I could get, I'm making a big one. So yeah, I'm gonna have to go to Ikea and get some more flowers, but this is how it's looking so far. I filled as much of the board as I possibly could with the remaining flowers that I have, and then tried to work out how many more I would need before going on a trip to Ikea.
So after another trip to Ikea and 100 flowers later, I did get some weird looks buying 100 of these flowers. It was finally time to finish up the flower wall, so I just continued basically and filled the rest of the board.
Here we have it, the finished flower wall. I'm so pleased with how it turned out. Obviously I needed a lot more flowers than I originally thought I would, so I've probably used about 150 flowers in the end. But yeah, it just looks absolutely amazing. It's got such a good texture to it as well. I just had this delivered from eBay, and then what I'm going to do is paint this, and then this will go on the flower wall. I'm going to paint it using a tester pot. This is just one that I picked up in B&Q ages ago and had it lying around. So I'm just going, it's quite easy because then I don't have to get all the paintbrushes and everything out again. So yeah, I'll paint this now and then I'll be able to hang it on the flower wall and it will be done.
It's actually quite easy painting it using the tester pot. It was quite difficult to get on the inside of it, so what I did is use these earbuds and that helped me kind of paint on the inside so it was all white. Don't know what happened to the sound here, so I will talk over it. So now it's completely painted, I now need to hang it. So I wasn't really sure how I was going to hang it, but what I've decided to do is hang it just with some thread. So I've just got some really light pink thread and put it through 3 of the letters. So I put it through the A and then the 2 L's, and then I've kind of put some tape around each of the pieces of thread, and then I'm just going to stick it onto the flower wall just using some tape, obviously making sure it's straight, and there we have it, my finished flower wall. I really hope that you've enjoyed this video and it gave you some ideas on how you can go about making your own DIY flower wall, whether it's for a nursery or playroom or wedding. I'd love to see your pictures, so please tag me in any if you do make something like this. Thanks for watching, bye!